Get ready with me for a date night. Let's begin with a nice primer and light it up. So I'm using the lighter color for my creasing, then topping it out with the brown smoky edge. I'm picking up the yellow color to give a nice fun edge. On both the ends, I'm just cutting the inner corner out loud and taking this nice shimmer and pressing it onto my eyelid. This is a fun quick look. Now we are taking Fenty Beauty to do the base and a contour by Forever 52 to contour my right edges. I'm mixing two colors to give a nice flushed look on the cheeks. And the final spray by Europe Girl. Now I wish to use a typical red color for a date night and giving a little ombre effect with pinkish. I think it's perfect. So guys, how do you like my quick date night look? I loved using the products and I hope you guys like the look. Please comment below for more such videos. Bye.